Core system library is failing because of the Core Heap Manager DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. To start fixing Core Heap Manager manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the Core Heap Manager Level 2, a foundational API shim for memory management. It provides unmanaged routines for allocating and freeing memory from the system heap, managing the critical stability data link. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. API MS Win Core Heap L210 is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Core Heap Manager message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Core Heap Manager DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing Core Heap Manager references. If your workstation is back online and Core Heap Manager is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.